everyone, welcome back to my channel. So there are some things which old people always regret. Mr. Steve Jobs in his last moments just said, "Oh wow," 3 times. Mr. Bob Marley said, "Money can't buy you life." Mr. George Best, one of the finest footballer, said, "Don't die like me." So what is common in all these lines? Today we'll try to read between the lines. Those points which old people always say that they wanted to do these things but they didn't and they regret it later. So we'll start from point number 8, and that is not learning new languages. In today's times, you can't give an excuse that you can't learn a language, because there are so many options available these days which were not available earlier. So that is one regret which they all have. Second one is not expressing feelings. Sometimes what happens, we don't express what we want to say, and sometimes we over express. So there is never a balance between our expression. Because of our ego, because of our disappointments, we are in trouble that time. But we communicate well, and then we can save our relationships. Next regret is not taking care of their body. So we eat junk, and there is a concept of comfort food also. Whenever we have a fight with someone or something, we just grab sweets and we just sit in front of TV and we eat junk and we cry. So this is also an abuse to your body and health. Later, especially in this pandemic, we should be very, very careful about our health, and definitely this is something we all should not regret in our old days. Next is that they feel they should not have worried so much. What happens is that we worry a lot about things which are not in our control. Yes, taking action is in our control, but we definitely procrastinate and we think a lot about the outcome, and definitely we are always in a worry that what will happen if I'll not be able to do this, if I'll not be able to achieve this. There's so much pressure there, and then ultimately we suffer. Oh, this worry was not required, because ultimately we achieved our goal. So again, journey is important than destination. Next regret is not chasing your dreams. If you are not visualizing something, if you're not having goals, if you're not having dreams, then how can you achieve them? That if we have bucket list, it's a fantastic way of chasing your dreams, and it gives you a proper goal and tracking and everything. So go there and create a bucket list for you so that you don't regret later. This regret is very common, especially in females, and that is projecting and living a life which someone else expects from you. We all are set in a glass ceiling, and we don't want to come out of that. We don't want to break that, because we have so much stigma around us, so much image, so much attachment to the image which we form. So these kind of things, we do what is politically correct, what is expected out of us from society. When we do these things, then definitely we regret it in our old days, because we couldn't live the life in our own way. And definitely be yourself. Whatever you feel, just express it and express your opinion, and just stand up for yourself, and just set your boundaries with people. Don't allow other people to mentally hurt you, because the power is in your hands. And a number one regret which every third person faces is not spending enough time with our family. This is something which we don't prioritize, because we are juggling so many things: career, health, family, and we don't have that much time with us. So it's very, very important for us to divide those 24 hours in such a way that we can spend time with our family, because that time never comes back. There are so many workarounds which we can do just to be with our family, because it is very important. In the end, it will not matter how much money we will have. A lot of people also have one regret, that they couldn't do charity, they couldn't help people, they were in their own world, they were so selfish. And these kind of regrets we should not have. So it's better that from young age only you just start practicing all these things: charity, donations, helping people without any selfishness. These things definitely matter. Sometimes what it happens with me also, that sometimes we get so much entangled in our own problems that we stop looking outside. We are not able to connect with people. But definitely it is very, very important to think about everyone around you, your family, society, and everyone. So selfishness is something which you will definitely regret. So these are some things which we should not regret later, and for that we need to be little careful. Just try to take out some time for family, for social life, for meeting new people, learning new languages, and just do it. And don't think about it. Just do it, live your life, and just remove all these pretensions from your life and just be and live from heart. That is all the lines of famous people. They were the last lines, and they told so many things about the lives of people who said them. So they all were emphasizing on one thing, that live your life, and it should not be about materialism. So that's all for today's video. Do share in comments if you want to say something. What is one dream you are living for? And I'll definitely meet you next week with some interesting topic again. So if you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And you know what to do with the bell icon. So press the bell icon and take care. And thank you so much for your time.